Shri Matre Namaha, everyone. I welcome you back to my channel, Journey to Inner Light with Shri. Before I start this episode of the Power Series, I would like to bow down to the divinity within each of you. I also offer my humble prayers to my entire Guru Mandala, and I request all of them to please guide and lead me through this session. Today, we will explore something that we all think we understand, yet we rarely do: time, and how we can align our frequencies and our actions to the energies of the Titi Nitya Devis so that time always goes in your favor. What is time really? We wake up, check the clock, check our schedule, and say, I don't have time. I need more time. Time is running out. But our Vedic tradition gives a completely different understanding. Time is not the enemy. Time is not a race. Time is a goddess. Time is Kala Shakti, the living pulse of the Divine Mother, the cosmic rhythm. Every moment is not just a tick on a clock, it is a living vibration. And every day is governed by a specific Titi Nitya Devi. In the Vedic calendar, a day is not defined by the sun alone. It is defined by the moon, the lunar cycle, which is ruled by different goddesses of emotion, intuition, and subtle energies. As the moon waxes and wanes across the 15 phases, each phase is ruled by a Titi Nitya Devi, who governs the energy of that time. And all these Devis are specific aspects of Devi Lalita Tripura Sundari herself as the central orchestrator. Each Titi Nitya Devi has a personality, a mood, a power, a blessing, and a lesson. This is why we feel energetic on some days and reflective on others, why some days are perfect for beginnings and others for healing. The rhythm of your life is actually the rhythm of the Nitya Devis moving through time, all controlled by Devi Lalita Tripura Sundari as the unchanging, eternal Adi Shakti. The Sanskrit word Nitya means eternal. They are eternal forms of Devi who rule over these 15 lunar days, and together they form the full cycle of human experience. Just like seasons, our inner world has cycles. Just like the moon changes, we change. Each Nitya Devi opens a window of different powers, and here is how you can harness these powers effectively to make time always go in your favor. On the Prathama Tithi, day 1 of the waxing or the waning lunar cycle, tap into the energies of Kameshwari. She awakens inner intention and the spark of new beginnings. On this day, work with her when you want a clear direction. On Dvitiya, the second day, align yourself to Bhagamalini. She grants support, opportunities, and resources. She aligns you with what you need to move forward. This day is perfect for manifesting help, guidance, or connections. On Tritiya, day 3, invoke the energies of Nitya Klinne. She melts emotional blockages. Her Shakti is love, compassion, healing, and attraction. Work with her on this day for emotional release and to sweeten your relationships. On Chaturthi, day 4, invoke Bherunde, who brings with her a fierce transforming power which breaks ego, obstacles, and stagnation. This day is best for cutting away old patterns and bad habits. On Panchami, day 5, work with Vahnivasini as the fire-residing goddess to ignite your passion, inner fire, discipline, and willpower so you can regain your energy and momentum. On Shashti, day 6, invoke Mahavajreshwari when you need courage, as she is the force of protection, strength, determination, and confidence to help stabilize your aura. On Saptami, day 7, the energies of Shivaduti are most active. She is a fierce liberator and cuts through the illusions, reveals the truth, and guides you back to your inner dharma, your true calling. Work with her for clarity, purification, and removing deception. On Ashtami, day 8, align yourself to the energies of Twarite. As the goddess of speed, she accelerates progress. She brings quick results, removes delays, and pushes your energy forward. Invoke her when things are moving too slowly. On Navami, day 9, call upon Kulasundari so she can activate your inner beauty, magnetism, grace, and spiritual refinement. On Dashami, day 10, invoke Nitya, who will bring continuity, stability, grounding, and long-term growth. This is the perfect day to work with her energies to complete long-term projects or commitments. On Ekadashi, day 11, invoke Neela Patake for mental clarity and intuitive strength, as she is the symbol of victory, clarity, and higher awareness. This day is a wonderful day for any type of spiritual practice. On Dwadashi, day 12, work with Vijaye to ensure success, achievement, and favorable outcomes. This is a perfect tithi to take bold action. On Trayodashi, day 13, take the blessings of Sarva Mangale as she brings peace, prosperity, and harmony. Everything you start today receives her grace. So this is a wonderful date for new beginnings, auspicious ceremonies, and family matters. On Chaturdashi, day 14, invoke Jwala Malini. Her Shakti is fire, purification, and transformation. And this day is best for ending cycles, releasing karma, cutting trauma, or cutting negative karmic bonds. On Purnima or on Amavasya, which is day 15 in the waxing or in the waning lunar cycle, invoke Chitre. She reveals your inner blueprint and gives you deep insight. Work with her to receive guidance and inner messages. All of the energies and aspects of these 15 Tithi Nitya Devis are ruled and controlled by the 16th Nitya Devi, Maha Tripura Sundari, who is the full moon of consciousness. All cycles begin in her, end in her, and dissolve back into her. When you align with her, you align with the totality of time itself. When you honor her and her 15 Nitya Devis, your actions become aligned, your intentions become effective, your intuition sharpens with time, and time itself begins to support you. You stop fearing time and you begin to dance with it. Each day becomes a goddess, each moment carries a blessing. Each phase of your life becomes a part of a greater rhythm, and the Nityas will illuminate every step you take along the journey. That was it for today. I hope you learned a new perspective which will help you in your own journey to inner light. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Shri Matre Namaha. Love and light, Shri.